Alright everybody, today we're going to be talking about the slope formula of a parabola from your algebra classes, but we're going to be taking a look at it with a calculus perspective. So the slope formula of a parabola will give you the slope for tangent lines coming off of the parabola. A tangent line is a line that impacts a curve at a single point. So you probably learned the algebraic method already in your college algebra or maybe even high school algebra classes. And you might have also learned a different method in calculus if you've taken calculus, or if you are currently taking calculus, you've probably already gone over this. So you probably already remember the formula, the general formula for the parabola is y equals ax squared plus bx plus c. They look like this, and tangent lines coming off them like this, we'll have a general formula of y equals mx plus b, the same as just any other line, where m is the slope. So the formula for the slope of tangent lines on a parabola that you learn in college algebra is 2ax plus b, where you get the a and the b from the general formula of the parabola. So you would just plug in the coefficients. Now let's talk about slope real quick. So slope in algebra, you hear it's the rise over the run. M equals the rise over the run. The slope is the rise over the run. In calculus, we have a slightly better way of describing it. We would say slope is the difference in y over the difference in x, or dy dx. Alright, now how are we going to use this? We have dy over dx, but what does that equal in this case? Well, if we split it up, we know dy over dx is equal to the derivative of y with respect to x. So d over dx of y. Now we also know y is equal to ax squared plus bx plus c when we're talking about the general form of a parabola. And that's what we're trying to use to get the formula for the slope. So if we plug in ax squared plus bx plus c where y goes, that tells us to take the derivative with respect to x of ax squared plus bx plus c, which is going to be 2ax plus b, our slope formula. The cool part about this is that we get to see one of the formulas, we're kind of forced to memorize when we're in lower level math classes, actually comes from the higher level math we're in now. It's a really cool way to see your progress because, you are currently at the point where you're able to make these formulas yourself. You're going to start seeing the relationship in the numbers more and get to do a lot of the interpreting and thinking yourself. I hope you found this video informative. If you would like to suggest a future video, be sure to sound off in the comments below. Thanks for watching.